64 GB in 2025? That's the question many people are asking while buying iPad 10th generation. Because the base variant of iPad 10th generation comes with only 64 GB of internal storage. In my iPad 10th generation, as you can see here, 56 GB is already occupied and I have deleted things for a couple of times, and after that I got this storage scenario. As you can see here in my storage section, these are the storage occupancy of various apps. If you use your iPad judiciously, you can adjust with 64 GB of internal storage. My Note app has only 95 MB occupancy, and you can see that I have stored many notes in my iPad 10th generation. So if you take notes on your iPad 10th generation, storage will not be an issue for you. In the Photos app, you can see that 31 GB is occupied. Now I will go into this gallery section and you can see that 445 videos are there inside this iPad 10th generation. However, the length of those videos are not so big, as you can see here. Okay, but what I try to say here is that you can store many videos as well and also many photos in your iPad 10th generation if you have 64 GB version, that is Wi-Fi version. Though iPad 10th generation has only 64 GB of internal storage, but it has great capability in rendering 4K 60 FPS videos, as you can see here. So video editing is very good on iPad 10th generation. And if you are someone who likes to edit videos or who wants to do heavy tasks on your iPad, in that case iPad 10th generation should be your pick over any Android tablet. Most importantly, iPad 10th generation can play 4K 60 FPS HDR videos. However, the videos playing in non-HDR mode, but you can play 4K 60 FPS videos if you have stable Wi-Fi connection. As you can see here, I am playing 4K 60 FPS videos in my iPad 10th generation. Let me show you so that you can understand by yourself how is the quality, and there is no lag, there is no stutter, and the quality of the display is top notch, and also it has very good stereo sound. Let me give you an example of the sound quality. iPad 10th generation has only 64 GB of internal storage and it has Type-C port, so you can use this Type-C pen drive or Type-C SSD with this iPad 10th generation. And if you plug in this Type-C port into iPad 10th generation like this, it will detect in this Files app, and here you can see that no name, this is the storage or this is the pen drive. Here you can store your files and also your many PDFs and documents. Okay, and as you can see here, I have downloaded and I have kept some videos in this pen drive, and I also can play these things here, as you can see here. Okay, so this is very portable and you can solve the storage problem with this pen drive. If you want to buy this, links are in the description below. This is SanDisk pen drive. This is a 64 GB Type-C pen drive actually. Finally, in the conclusion, should you buy iPad 10th generation 64 GB Wi-Fi version? The answer is yes. If your requirement is not so high demanding, if you don't store up too many videos on your iPad 10th generation, you just want to type or write notes on your iPad, in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation. But if you have heavy demand of storage, in that case you may consider the 256 GB version. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this iPad 10th generation. If you want to buy this iPad 10th generation, the best buy price is 26 to 27,000 rupees for the 64 GB version, and if you want to buy the 256 GB version, in that case the best price is around 36,000 rupees. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.